Hey, what is going on, guys? Jonathan Ferrell here. Just wanted to show you guys how you can make outbound calls directly from your cell phone number, from your existing office number, or another number that you guys have directly from GoHighLevel. This is an awesome tool, especially for somebody like myself who's been in an industry, had the same number for the last 13 years, want to use it for my outbound calls. So what I'm going to do is inside of GoHighLevel, we're going to click on the settings button right here. And when we scroll down to the phone numbers tab, we're going to see that I have an A2P approved number. A2P approval doesn't matter for phone numbers, for outbound calls or receiving calls. It just matters for texting, right? So you'll see I have this phone number set up for the business right here. I would like to add the call masking feature or be able to use my cell phone number to be able to take or make those outbound calls from the system. So I'm going to set up what's called verified caller ID. Okay, now you'll see I have verified caller ID set up already. Let me just disable that real quick and show you guys what you need to do. So once you are in the verified caller ID section, you will go ahead and complete this, click on the button right here, add number, and you're going to click add verified caller ID. You are going to enter the phone number that you would like to use as your caller ID. And basically, a robot guy is going to call you and say, please enter this code on the screen. So let's just say I want to set up my Google Voice number as my verified caller ID. I can go ahead and select this specific number right here, click verify number. I'll get an inbound call from my Google Voice. 857-959. Perfect. So it just said that I validated the phone number that's going to pop up on the screen right here. Don't know if you guys could have heard that or not. Probably would have been better if you would have, but it would have been cool. So then once that happens, you get this number right here. So what we could do now is we can edit the configuration and add the outbound caller ID. So this is what pops up on the screen of the cell phone number when somebody misses your call. It says maybe Jonathan Farrell. We can click update caller ID right here. And now I'm going to go into the phone number section and I'm going to click edit configuration. And you see this section right here where it says use your verified caller ID as caller ID for outbound numbers. Go ahead and click on that and select it and click on the save button. Now, again, just for the purpose, updated phone system. So now when I make an outbound call directly from the system, it will ring for that number that I just put in, just for the heck of it. I'm going to call my cell phone number. Got to enable microphone. Let's hang up. Do it one more time, but you will see right here that I have an outbound call, 972-275-6625. So that is not this number right here, right? That is actually the verified caller ID that we set up. So again, this is an awesome tool, guys, especially if you've been in business for a long time, you've had the same number for a long time, you're a solopreneur, you want to make calls from your CRM, log them from the CRM, and you want it to be done from your actual cell phone number or your business line. This is how you guys set that up inside of the system. Amazing tool, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you guys later.